Let's look at this. It says, find the n term of this sequence. The formula we can use for this sequence. That is the n term. How do you find the formula? Oh, we need to investigate. The first term here is equals to 31. If you started this class from the first video, if you have watched the first video, we've established that this second term is coming from here, this is coming from here, this is coming from here, this is coming from here. Therefore, for this second term, because it is coming from the first term, we have to put 31 for it to say we know you are coming from 31. But the next question is this. How can 31 produce 26? How can? What can you do to 31 to produce 26? You agree with me, you need to remove 5 from here to get 26. Let's investigate the third one. For this third one is coming from here. And this is this. So we need to put this one here. Okay? 31 minus 5 here first. To recognize that this is coming from here. We know that this is 26. But how can 26 produce 21? Minus 5 again. If you know what you are doing, just stop. Because there's already a pattern. Minus 5, minus 5. If you continue now, it's another minus 5. If you continue, another minus 5. From here now, we can produce the n term. But before we can produce the n term from here, we need to also recognize that this guy does not have minus 5. Because all these other guys, they all have minus 5. Therefore, we have to force minus 5 here. Because you are forcing minus 5 here now, you are changing the value. We shouldn't put this here, but we want the picture to all be the same. Therefore, we need to still destroy this 5 by saying multiply by 0. With this now, we have not changed 31. All we have done is there's a pictorial representative of 5, just to resemble the other 5s. But because we are introducing these two, these other guys, they also need it. Therefore, we say multiply. Multiply by what? What can we use to multiply 5 to have 5? It's multiply by 1. These other guys, they are 2. So we say minus 5 multiplied by 2. So you can see all of them all have multiply and what? A value. Now we can do the n term. All of them have 31, we put 31. All of them have minus, we put minus. All of them have 5, we put 5. All of them have times, we put times. This is not constant. Let's check. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Therefore, n minus 1. This is the n term. We are actually okay here, but just to simplify, we say 31 minus 5n plus 5. This plus this will give us 36 minus 5n. Okay, this is the n term for this sequence. Okay?